Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the font in Gmail on your PC. Customizing the font in your Gmail interface can add a personal touch to your email experience. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to change the font in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the section labeled Default Text Style. Next to it, click on Font. That's it. You have successfully changed the font in Gmail. You can now select your preferred font style and size to enhance your email composition experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.